Hey, all right, everybody. So, working on the Dumas 41-foot Coast Guard utility boat is what this kit is called. It has a number. Let's see if I can find that. This is kit number 1216, 1216, I think. Let's see. It's in here somewhere. Maybe it's on the plan drawing. 3/8 to 1 inch scale. Yeah, 1216, 1216. Coast Guard utility patrol boat, essentially. Something that would be used ubiquitously. I think our harbor police here in my town have bought a surplus of these and use this boat. So anyway, here's the hull. It's not quite finished. As you can see, there's some trimming I still need to do on the upper side planking. Got lower planking, upper planking. It's a little messy here. I'm not your expert boat guy. Not even close. So it is what it is. And again, I'm not too sure. I don't think I'm going to prep this for water use. I don't think I'm going to glass the hull. Never done that before. I'm not sure what I need to buy or how to go about that. So I'm thinking what I'll probably do, since this is for the most part just going to be a display piece, and give you a sense of why I'm building this. So it's roughly, I don't know, it's not exactly 1/25th scale, but I thought what I would do is build up this lowboy trailer. Obviously we won't be using any of the power station equipment that it comes with, just get rid of that. I'll build a cradle for the boat, and we'll set the boat up on here, strapped in, hang the necessary signage onto the trailer, wide load, make signage for the and I think I'll use the Mack truck. I have a DM 600 Mack tractor truck that I'll use with the trailer. We'll make a cradle onto the lowboy, and we'll set the boat up on that as if it were being hauled down to the water from the factory for its initial testing. So that's why I bought the boat. It's to go with the trailer, which goes with the truck, which is completely has nothing whatsoever to do with airplanes or flying machines, but it's just for fun. The grandkids will love it. So what I'm going to do is on this work I'm in the middle of here. I did put the stuffing box in, and I wanted to show you the fit of the centerpiece here, the center section of the decking. And it's cut out so you can remove it, access your battery, install the motor and rudder. Again, you can see my construction on this, especially where the build can't be seen typically unless you open it up and take a look. There's a lot of glue, and I did use the Type Bond 2, the water resistant adhesive in here, and in the instruction sheet it talks about just slathering resin in there to keep it watertight, to make sure you got a nice watertight boat. So I'm still debating that. I'm still trying to decide that. And of course, if I leave this removable rather than gluing it in, I could come back at some future date and finish the inside of the hull. But what would be difficult would be to glass the exterior after I painted it up. I could do that and just sand everything off and glass it and then repaint. So like I said, I'm just kicking it around. Why would I do that? Well, those kids, they're young now, but in a couple of years they might be interested